Hello all, this is Jyoti. Welcome to Shri Purnima. So we are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with different types of sarees and dress materials. Okay, so all in affordable ranges. So dispatch has started except Chennai to all the other locations. Okay, so even for Chennai the dispatch will be starting by Monday hopefully. So we got the communication like that, but if any changes is there I will notify you in my page. Okay, so today I have some designer dress materials. Okay, those are dress materials with Banarasi dupatta. The price of those dress materials are 980 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product plus shipping cost. Okay, that's per order. 100 rupees is extra per to the shipping cost and also the product cost. Okay, the shipping cost has to be calculated for the COD also. COD processing charges is different from the shipping charges. Okay, so I will move with this dress materials now. So just a minute. Okay, so all the dress materials have the handwork embroidery. So in the top you have the handwork embroidery. Okay, so in each and every dress materials the embroidery will be looking different. Okay, the fabric is a model silk, the top is a model silk, and bottom you have the cotton pant, and the dupatta is Banarasi jacquard. Okay, it's a pure Banarasi jacquard. All of the dress materials are priced at 980 rupees. So these are all very simple dress materials. You can wear it for regular wear also if you are and office wear also. So each and every material has a simple handwork embroidery done on the yoke part. Okay, in the neck part alone you will be having the different embroidery designs. All are handwork embroidery designs. So this is a peach color. You have a grey color combination pant and a pure Banarasi dupatta. Okay, so this is how the dupatta will be coming. So this is how the dress material will be looking. It's a peach with grey combination. So just a minute, I will give you the design. Okay, so this is how the design will be there. So it's a simple design done on the yoke part. It's a full hand embroidery. I will give you the closer look. So it's a simple hand embroidery done. Okay, along with the pure Banarasi dupatta, and the pant is also a cotton grey color, a contrast color. So this is the first set, priced at 980 rupees. So this is how the dress material will be looking. It's a peach with grey. So the top is 2.5 meters. Bottom is as well 2.5 meters, and the dupatta is 2.25 meters. Okay, I am repeating the meters. Top is 2.5 meters, bottom is as well 2.5 meters, the dupatta is 2.25 meters. So this is the next one. So it has a very lovely design. Okay, this you have the mirror work as well along with the embroideries done here. So it's a very neat design. The fabric is a model silk. You have a blue bottom and the dupatta. So this is how the dress material will be looking. So this is the next one. It's a grey with blue combination. Priced at 980 rupees. So this is how the dress material will be looking. Okay, so you have the design. It's all hand embroidery. You have the pure Banarasi jacquard dupatta along with this dress material. So my WhatsApp number is 91505 56870. Whoever wants to place the order, please take the screenshots of the products. And the next one, you have the mirror work as well. So this is the embroidery work you can see. So all of them are hand embroidery, and for this dress material you have this kind of embroidery work along with the mirror works as well. Okay, So it's a handle color beige with red color combination, dark red color combination. So this is how the dress material will be looking, and the dupatta. So this is how the dress material will be looking. It's a beige color, okay, it's a sandal color. So this is the look of the dress material, okay. All of the fabric are very premium. The fabric is a model silk, okay, very lightweight and gives you a very nice look. And this is the next dress material. So this is the handwork embroidery, you can see here. So you have this kind of embroidery, okay. It's a shade of a blue with red. So the bottom comes in the orange color. So the bottom is orange color. So this is a full, okay. You can have the neck, your neck cut here, okay. So it will be coming in the yoke part, and this is the dupatta, okay. Each and every dupatta is very nice, different designs as well, okay. It's a Banarasi jacquard, pure Banarasi jacquard dupatta. So this is how the dress material will be looking, okay. So this is the look of the dress material. All of the dress materials are priced at 980 rupees, 980 rupees. Shipping charges is extra, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product and the shipping cost. So the next one is a green shade with pink one, okay. So this is the design. This is how the embroidery will be there. So you have a very nice intricate embroidery and also a very decent one, okay. And it comes with the contrast pink color, Rani pink color. So this is how the dress material will be looking. It's a green, light green color with pink combination with the embroidery at the yoke part, and this is the dupatta. This is how the dupatta will be looking. So this is the dress material, okay. Actually the color is varying, even in the photos and the videos the color will be slightly varying, okay, because if we try to get the color of the bottom and the dupatta, the top color will be varying, and if we try to get the top color correctly, the bottom color will be varying. So if you have any doubts in the color combinations, please ask me for the real pictures so that I will send you the details. So this is the next one. It's a light green with pink, and next comes the yellow with brown shade. So you have this kind of embroidery in the yoke part, okay. This is yellow with brown shade. So you have the Banarasi jacquard dupatta as well. So this is how the dress material will be looking. You have the yellow with coffee brown shade, okay. It's a dark coffee brown combination, and this is how the dupatta will be looking, okay. So this is how the dress material will be looking. It's a yellow with coffee brown shade, okay. It's a dark coffee brown shade. Dupatta length is 2.25 meters, ma'am. It's 2.25 meter. Top is 2.5, bottom 2.5 meter. Dupatta is 2.25 meters. Okay, and this is the next one. It's a dark green, bottle green with orange combination. So you have this kind of embroidery here. So it's like a half sun. The top fabric is modal silk, bottom fabric is cotton, and dupatta is Banarasi jacquard dupatta, pure Banarasi jacquard. Okay. So this is how the dress material will be looking, and it's a green with orange shade. And this is the dupatta. So whoever wants to place the order, please take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp me at 915055687. So in the dupatta you have this kind of mango. So each and every dupatta will be coming up with a different designs. The fabric will be soft. Okay, the bottom, every fabric, the top, bottom and dupatta, everything will be very soft and also silky. So this is the next one. It's a dark red, blood red color with green combination, Rama green combination. So you have this kind of embroidery coming in the yoke part. Okay. So the top is a modal silk. Okay, you get a rich look. Okay, a simple and decent rich look. So this is how the dress material will be looking. It's a blood red color with Rama green combination. So this is how the dupatta will be looking. Okay, it's a Rama green with red combination. All of the dress materials are priced at 980. Okay, this has the mirror work as well. So this is how the dress material will be looking. Okay, you have the designs coming in the, all the designs are handwork embroidery. So those are coming in the yoke part, and also you have the bottom with patchwork. Okay, it's a piping and patchwork coming in the bottom as well for every dress material. And the next one is a black with light green combination. So you have it's in the middle part. Okay. All of the dress materials are priced 980. My WhatsApp number is 915055687. So all my collections are listed in my WhatsApp catalog. You can check that in my WhatsApp profile. So this is how the dress material will be looking. So for all the enquiries, please take up the screenshot. Okay. So this is how the dress material will be coming. Okay, it's a black with light green shade. The light green is a little different in the video. Okay, it's a black with light green. Priced at 980 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product and the shipping cost. So for Chennai, the dispatch starts only by Monday. For other locations, you can straight away book the products. So this is a yellow with green combination. So you have this kind of a flower embroidery done on the yoke part. Okay, it's here and there will be a flower embroidery. The fabric, top fabric is modal silk. Bottom is cotton. Dupatta is a pure Banarasi jacquard dupatta. It's a yellow with light green shade. Okay. So this is how the dress material will be looking. It's a yellow with light green. All the embroideries are hand embroidery. It's not a dark yellow. It has the light shade of a yellow with green combination. So this is how the dress material will be looking. Okay. It gives you a very nice decent look. The fabric is also very good. It gives you a silky feel. And next one is a red with black combination. You have this kind of a design coming in the yoke part, and you have the black lip combination. So this is how the dress material will be looking. And the dupatta is full black. Bottom is also full black. So this is the look of the dress. Okay, my WhatsApp number is 9150556870. It's 9150556870. So please take the screenshots of the products for all the inquiries. I have listed all my collections in my WhatsApp catalog. So it's a dark red color, not bright color. It's a dark red color. Okay. Due to the tube light effect, the color might be lightly varying in the video and the picture. We try to give our best to get the actual color image, but for one or two images the color might be slightly varying. Okay, this is a light green again with red combination, and you have this kind of a design, so it will be coming like this from the corner to the middle. Exchange and refund is also available, okay, for all the valid reasons. Resellers are also welcome. So this is how the dress material will be looking. It's a light green with red. We accept returns also for all the valid reasons, okay. So this is how the dress materials will be looking. Okay, it's a green, light green with red combination. So this is how the dress material will be looking. Okay, so you have the design coming in the yoke part. So this is the last dress material I have for today. So by Monday same timing we will be coming up with the next set of collections. So stay tuned until then. By Monday hopefully the courier service will be starting for all the locations. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product and shipping cost. Okay, so actually the product delivery might be a little delayed, but so far the orders are going in 2 to 3 days within Tamil Nadu. Okay, so with outside the Tamil Nadu the delivery is happening within some 5 days. So some way, if it is a little distance, it will be taking some 7 working days. Okay, so far that's how the delivery is happening. So once the situation is back to normal, it will be taking only the usual 2 to 5 working days. So you can directly place the orders if you are outside Chennai. For Chennai, all the orders are starting by Monday. So that's how the details. So my WhatsApp number is 9150556870. I have mentioned the number and also the direct link of my WhatsApp in the description. So stay connected. Please like my page. Please share my products. Keep shopping with us. Thank you. Have a good day.